Hello guys, it's me again. In the last video, I showed you how to add audio in iMovie. Now I will show you how to download a music into the files. So go to the Safari. Like I already downloaded. If you downloaded, it will be visible here. So you have to hold it. Maybe not. Click it. Don't hold it. Okay. Then you have to click on the send button. In that you have to tell save to files, and you can select here like if you want to keep it in your iCloud drive or on my iPad. And if you found your thing, and click on save in the top right corner. And as you can see, it will be saved. Okay, now this is the tutorial, and bye bye.